Desires, I know. You got desires.
What's up, y'all? I gotta stay over here. Don't notice it. Say hi. Say hi. Oh, he's shy. Alright, so today I'm about to be doing his hair. My Filipino black son's hair. Well, oh my god, did you just fart on me?
You're a little nasty.
High five, you ready? Boogie. Woo! So there are things that I've noticed that works better for his hair. We don't have a spray bottle right now, so we're just using like the old-fashioned way, water and a brush. So we use this one usually, but it's running out. Feel a little sick too. Don't come around here. Yeah, y'all see his hair? Very gorgeous, very curly and frizzy right now. We usually use the kangaroo brand for his hair to keep it like from frizzing and stuff. So I wet his hair to make sure it's more manageable and it won't tangle at all. His face got all wet. So his hair is very dry right now, so I like to add lots of oil. Now we're going to separate the hair so I can brush it out and comb it out. Okay, now that we're done with brushing, add more oil just to make sure when I comb it, it doesn't tangle that much. As you can see, I'm using a wide tooth comb and I am starting from the ends because it makes it hurt less. So I noticed that using a kind of sticky edge control really helped me like keep his hair into place and keep everything together and make it last longer. So that's why I'm going in with the edge control to separate it to use it in his hair. I don't have a parting comb, that's why y'all see me switch it out with an edge control brush to make it more straight with his part. Now this is the hardest process to do, getting the right parting, and as you can see, my parts were kind of curved at first. You have to really just take a minute just to look at it. Y'all see me looking at the camera, then I'm looking at his head. It's just a lot that goes into it. Sometimes I just part and put down the edge control just so I can repart it and comb it down, and yeah.
Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's some me time. Hope you doing what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom cause I New York the shelf. Now my bitch is to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, get some me time.
You know what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
In the meantime,
I can stop doing what I want.
need some me time.
You do what you want.
In the meantime,
I can stop doing what I want.
need some me time.
You do what you want.
Maybe I'll love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Then just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit. You weren't special till I made you so. You
desires, I know. You got desires. You got that fire, and I'm not a liar. You had me down on my knees every day, had to talk beside. I'm in that 80 and one of the twist, different prior. I try to pay all your long, so I can copy you a driver.
shirts. Actually, this is good. I'm gonna change the shirt up. Yeah. My scalp. All right, we're done now. Say bye. Can you say bye? All right, so that is how I did my son's hair. Look, he's trying to take it off. Why are you trying to take it off? Huh? Yes. What? Okay. I used the iPad to grab his attention, basically. But yeah, he's ready to go. Say bye.
Bye.
Mwah.